Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got another informative AI video for you. So let's get started. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create amazing macro universe videos like these. As you can see, these videos are getting incredible views, and the best part is they're surprisingly easy to make. Open the AI Sentry website. You will see an interface like this. Then click on the GPT library option and search for macro ASMR. Click Start Chat, then open Macro ASMR and click Start. Wait a few seconds, and ChatGPT will automatically generate 10 macro ASMR video ideas for you. If you don't like any of those ideas, simply type more and just wait a few seconds and ChatGPT will generate 10 additional ideas. You can choose any idea from the list. For example, I'll choose coconut. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate information related to that idea. Then, select any of the available options and send it to ChatGPT. As you can see, it will automatically start generating prompts based on your selected option. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt. Then open Highfields AI, click on the image option, select NanoBanana 2, choose your desired aspect ratio and quality, paste the prompt, and click the Generate button. As you can see, our image generation has started. Our images are now ready, and they look crystal clear. Next, click on the video option and select Dance 2.0. Then click Upload Media and upload your reference image. Paste the prompt, click the Generate button, and your video will start generating. As you can see, our video is ready in outstanding high quality, delivering crystal clear visuals and an impressive cinematic finish. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Stay connected for more informative AI videos, helpful tutorials, and the latest AI updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.